So here's a little tutorial. This is a semi-automatic machine, and semi-automatic means that there is no button that you press and then it does a time shot. Instead, the shot is, just ignore that lever, it's too complicated. The shot is initiated by just pulling a lever or pressing a button, and then it's stopped by pushing the lever down or pressing the button again. And so then for like example, this machine, make sure we have enough beans in the grinder. The grinder has a timer on it to grind the right amount of coffee. And then we use this distributor to get the air pockets out. And then we tamp, preferably with two hands, but since I'm holding the camera and we're doing it with one. And then it has these ears and you just lock it in place. The tune-up has a gasket underneath that is usually replaced. So this gasket and screen, also it gets dirty under here. So that whole thing gets replaced in a tune-up. And then pull a shot. And this is essentially how the semi-automatic machine works. This shot's running a little slow, kind of on the slow side, I'm not sure why. There it picks up. You see me get really good crema. And then over here is the steamer for steaming milk. And then this is the hot water over here. So you can make an Americano or you can use it for tea or something like that.